Hello friends, Dilip Davda here once again in front of you to discuss about main board IPO of Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited, which is coming with its maiden IPO consisting of about 14% dilution and of having a combo offer of about 25% primary and 75% secondary issue. You can see entire IPO's detail as well as my review on chetalgod.com. But here what I would like to emphasize is that when the company was making profits about 1.5 to 2 years back, this pre-pandemic period, it offered shares at a price of about 490 rupees per share, and now when it is incurring losses, and there again there is no certainty because we are not sure whether third wave, fourth wave will come or not, and this company which has suffered a severe setback because of pandemic and incurred losses for last 18 months performance is coming with the price band of 870 to 900 rupees per share. Means it is almost double to the offer issue it has made about 1.5 years, 2 years back when it was making profits. So this is the first thing. Second thing, the company has not shown any clarity on the the negative income for the last 18 months, that is FY21 and the first half of the current fiscal 22. Secondly, the company has been doing no doubt good work in the health insurance, and it was not a standalone health insurance, but it is primarily doing health insurance and then also providing some other allied services. The company is promoted by the private players and is perhaps one of the first company in India to start primarily health insurance segment, and is also one of the largest health insurance company in India as of now. But considering its losses for the last 1.5 years and uncertainty prevailing as of now, I am not very keen to recommend this issue because it is greedily priced according to my view. So better stay away. You might get a chance to buy this stock at a discount post listing. This is my view, but still, if you want to invest, better consult your financial advisor and then take a final call. Thank you.